tank underneath. So now I'm gonna get some primer on the tank and get it ready for paint. I masked it up underneath, so now it's ready for priming. I'm gonna use acetone to clean it, so there are no fat residue and oil and stuff on the tank. I think the tank turned out okay. Looks okay, good enough. The seat bracket did not turn out okay. It was actually shit, so I've sanded it down carefully, and I'm gonna clear coat it one more layer, see how it turns out. Well, the tank is on. I think it looks okay. Side cover done. Yeah, it's okay. So I got the valve and hose and filter on. So I'm gonna fill it up with gas and check for leaks. I think it looks badass. actually.